Hey, let's go get our goats.
Oh, we want to live here.
Hello, this goat right here is this goat right here is Xerxes, and the one at the back is Milky Way.
These boys are going to be a stall in our barn. My pappy hoped us to build it. Time to bring them in. Let's show Milky Way and Xerxes their new home. I bet they run right in.
You gonna back out? I think you might want to turn the other way. Hey, buddy. Come on.
Give him a bit of a set.
Come on.
Xerxes, come here.
Please exit to the rear.
They're both feeding. Take this out.
We still have some doors to build and some trim pieces to make.
Our doors are assembled and painted, and now we're putting on the rolling door hardware.
Just about done. It's Goat Barn.
working with these guys to get them ready for show. Thanks for watching this episode. I'm super excited to have my goats. We'll wrap it up in one more episode. Bye!
Goats like animal crackers.